Hi Ayushman. Hi.
Hello,
How are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, it sounds great. So, Ayushman, could you introduce yourself, please?
Yes, my name is Salman. I'm in a nursery lotus. I'm in a nursery lotus. My father name is Mr. Raul. My mother name is Mrs. Nasi. I live in Delhi. My son is Kyamangalam. My teacher ma'am is Subi ma'am.
Wow, great, great. So, Ayushman, in which class do you read in?
It is nursery lotus.
Okay, nursery. Great, great. So, how old are you?
I am 3 years old.
Oh, 3 years old. Great, that's cool. So, can you tell me about your daily routine, Ayushman?
Okay. I get up, I brush my teeth, I take bath, I take a laptop, I put on table and I take online class. Then I make milk. Then I eat breakfast. Then I go TV, play with my toys. Then Mama
Great.
take me palak. Then I play or slide, I play or swing, and I play with my ball. I learn and I do exercise.
Great. You even do exercise. Wow, great, Ayushman.
Mama take me home. Then I do homework. Then
Okay.
I eat food. Then I go to sleep.
Great, great. Yeah. So, Ayushman, I have one more question for you. That you told me you watch TV. So, what do you like to watch?
Pakapiki and Maggie.
Oh, that's great. Do you watch cartoons?
Yes,
Which cartoon?
Pakapik.
What? Peppa Pig?
Yes,
Hey, Peppa Pig. I even don't know about your cartoon, sorry. But I hope that it will be very interesting, right?
yes.
So, yes, Ashman, do you know any story? Can you tell me any story?
Which one?
Yes? Anyone, any.
Angie? Cow and lion.
Yes, cow and lion.
Cow and lion. Cow is eating grass. And lion say, I will eat you.
Yeah.
Then it's learn. Then I eat you.
Whom do you love most? Whom you love most?
Mama and Divan.
Mama and
Divan.
Divyans.
Divan and Divan is my brother.
Oh, he is your brother. Okay. Oh, great, great, great. Okay, why do you love Mama most?
Because Mama take me parlor and get told for me. And get food chiji for me. And Mama take me palak.
Okay, okay. That's great. Like, and don't you love your dad?
Yes.
Papa?
Yes.
Yes, you love him. Okay, okay, okay. So, Asman, how to talk on phone?
With them,
Mm-hmm.
I am there. I am there. What is your name? My name is Aisman. I am there for don't bother me.
Okay, don't bother me. Yeah. Okay. So, what do you do with your eyes?
can see.
Okay, you can see. Great. And
I
what
can
do you
see
do
with
with
my
your?
eyes.
Hmm, 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 hmm. Okay. And what do you do with your ears?
I can hear.
You can hear, right? So, do you listen songs?
Yes.
Do you? Yes, you listen. Do you have any favorite song? Can you sing it?
Yes. Bala.
Please sing.
Bala. Bala. Canteen sala. Bala. Bala. Rodri salo.
Oh, you sing very well, Asman.
कन्हैया पकारा खिलेंगे लताओं में बिस्किली नियारा खिलेंगे गाये तो मिलेंगे वो बाकी प्यार के चलन पकारा करेंगे कन्हैया कन्हैया पकारा करेंगे.
Wow, great, Kanhaiya, Kanhaiya. So, Asman, you sing very well. You sing very well. Thank you very much. Yeah. Do you have friends?
Yes.
Okay, how many friends do you have?
Devyans.
Hmm?
Devyans.
Okay, Divyans. Okay, okay. He's your younger brother? Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
What do you do with Divyans?
I play with Devyans.
No, no. Do you beat Divyans?
No.
No, just you love.
What is that?
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, fighting is bad. So, do you want to ask me something?
What's your name?
My name is Anand. Anand. Okay, I'm a teacher. I teach students.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Aishman. Nice to meet you. Definitely, audience is going to love it more because he is just 3 years old and he is just speaking very cutely.